In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take care of your social channels in Canva. Managing social media can feel a bit overwhelming, especially when you're trying to post consistently across several platforms. Canva's built-in planning tools make this a lot easier by letting you organize and schedule your content directly from your Canva account. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through how to get to the right place inside Canva so you can start planning out your posts in advance and keep your social feeds active and on brand. Start by opening Canva and logging into your account as you normally would. Once you're on the main Canva homepage, take a moment to make sure you're in the right workspace, especially if you're part of a team or manage multiple brands. The content planner will work with the designs and social accounts connected to this workspace, so it's worth checking that you're in the correct one before you move on. From the homepage, look toward the left-hand side of your screen where you see the main navigation. You'll notice options like your projects, templates, and other tools. What you want to find here is the option labeled More. This is where Canva keeps some of the extra features that don't always appear in the main menu. Go ahead and click on More. When you click this, a panel or expanded menu will open, showing several additional tools and integrations that Canva offers. Among these options, look for Content Planner. Depending on your version of Canva and any updates, it may appear as an icon with a small calendar or a label that clearly says Content Planner. Once you see it, click on Content Planner. Canva will now open a calendar-style view. This is your central hub for planning your social content. Here, you can see days, weeks, or months laid out in front of you and connect your social media channels if you haven't already. From this planner, you'll be able to select a date, attach one of your existing Canva designs, write your caption, choose the social channel you want to post to, and schedule it for automatic publishing. By accessing the content planner through the More section and then clicking on it, you've taken the key step toward organizing your social channels in Canva. From here, you can experiment with scheduling, adjust your posting frequency, and keep your content consistent and visually cohesive,